Hello my YouTube family, welcome to my channel once more, and you're most definitely welcome into my kitchen. Today we are going to be making ginger biscuits. So today's video will be guiding you through how to bake a very simple, nice and soft ginger cookie, a ginger biscuit. So I will take you through everything step by step. I'll show you the ingredients, the measurements that you're going to need as well. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps us to keep growing and to keep creating better content for you. Also, please watch my ads. I am finally monetized on YouTube, which means now I can make some coin on YouTube, which means we can now afford better ingredients and stuff. So I'm really excited to be going through this journey with you guys. I will be creating much more content because now we are making something out of this. Thank you very much for stopping. Without wasting any of your time, let's get right into baking. Remember to wash your hands very well, and you can also tie up your hair. You are going to need 5 cups of cake wheat flour, and then 1 cup of brown sugar. You can even use white, and then 8 tablespoons of ginger. I have 2 because the other one is almost out. And then you're going to need 400 grams of melted rama, and then 3 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, and then 4 eggs. And then you're also going to need some golden syrup, and for that you are going to need 1 cup. And you must have like your measuring cups, and then your cookie cutters. I use the tiniest cookie cutter, and this recipe will give you like about 50. So I start off by chopping like 400 grams of rama, and then I just cut it up and then put it in a jar and then melt it in the microwave. You can also leave it out in the sun for it to melt. And then we are going to move over to our dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, you are going to start by taking 5 cups of your cake flour and just put it in a bowl that's large enough for you to be able to mix all your ingredients in. Once you've added all your flour cups, you're going to add 3 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda straight into your flour. Then you're going to mix it in. Then you're going to grab your powdered ginger, and then you're going to put 7 to 8 tablespoons, should be fine, depending on how strong you want your ginger to be. Once you've added all of the tablespoons of the ginger, you're going to go right ahead and mix it in. And then we are going to set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. We are going to start off by measuring 1 cup of sugar straight into a different container, and then we are going to go right ahead and crack 4 eggs in there. And then we are going to give it a very good whisk, making sure that our sugar dissolves in the process. If you have a mixer, this will be very nice to do in a mixer because your sugar will dissolve faster. I'm just mixing in my butter nicely because it had separated. I overheated it a bit, so don't overheat your butter. We're going to move on to our golden syrup. We are also going to use 1 cup of golden syrup. If you like your biscuits less sweet, add less sugar, but the golden syrup I would really recommend like 1 cup because it also works as a binding agent of your flour mixture. Give it a really good squeeze. Ilovo. And then I'm just pouring that into the egg mixture. I'm just going to grab the fork, mix it in, also making sure that the sugar is dissolving at the same time. And then now that we have all of our ingredients ready, we can start mixing in everything into the flour mixture. So I just add the butter and the sugar mixture slowly at the same time. Remember to always add your liquids slowly, just in case your flour gets too wet you can stop. But if you add everything at once and it gets too wet, there's no saving your flour. So I'm just adding the mixture bit by bit and mixing. I am also gonna give it a good mix with my hands because I just feel like your hands get in there, but remember to always wash your hands. And then I'm just mixing it in, making sure the whole flour becomes part of a mix of this mixture. So the kind of consistency you're trying to go for is like a thick dough that feels fudgy like. You can see it looks brownish. It looks like a good fudge. So it's not too thin and it's not too thick. But this flour is gorgeous, guys. Like I could just eat it already. So just give it a really good mix. You can see it's like a fudge consistency. So now I am going to get my pan ready. So I just spray my pan with some non-stick spray and then set it aside. Then I coat my surface, my clean surface, with some flour so that my dough doesn't stick while I'm cutting it with the cookie cutters. Just a little disclaimer, I don't have a rolling pin, and yeah, so I just make whatever is there at my place work. So sorry, I'm rolling with a bottle. So I'm just coating the bottle, or in your case maybe a rolling pin, with some flour. You can also use a glass, it will work. Anything that just has like a round flat surface will work. Then grab your cookie cutter, also coat it with some flour so that it does not stick, and then start packing your biscuits onto the tray. While you are cutting, also make sure that you have your oven preheated to 180 degrees. So we are going to bake these biscuits at 180 degrees Celsius to 200, but this will vary according to your oven. So be sure to watch your first tray closely, but I think 180 degrees should be fine, and this will go for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just cutting some more until the tray is filled up, and then we'll be ready to start. So this recipe gave me about. So now we are ready to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for. So this is your final product. They look so yummy. Hi guys, thank you very much for sticking through to the end. So this is like 15 to 20 minutes later, and this is what your biscuits should look like. Of course, I did like multiple trays. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, comment, and like. And if you did everything right, you should get something like this. They are very sweet, very warm, and yeah, so they're perfect for this winter season that is upon us. Anyway, again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and please follow my 2 Instagram page. One is Cooking with Anza, and one is just anza-tshilidzi. I'll also leave them down below. Cooking with Anza is what you want to follow, because all the other recipes that you don't see here, you will definitely see there. I love you very much. Keep winning. Stay safe and stay home. Bye.